To make these stocking tags is really easy. You just need to start with the color of paint that you want. This is just a chipboard, and it's easiest if you paint the sides first. And that way, once you have the sides, you can just really easily go over the tops. You're going to need to do probably 2 to 3 coats to get good coverage on these. Once you have the pink paint how you like it, then it's time to add a layer of the glitter paint, and I'm using DecoArt Glamour Dust in Gold Glitz. And once again, I'm gonna start by adding to the edges and then lay it down flat and do the tops. And with this one, you just need to do 1 layer of paint. Once these have had 30 minutes to dry, or whatever the back of the packaging says, you're just going to take your adhesive letter and press it on the front, and then it's just attaching some yarn or some ribbon through the hole and attaching it to your stocking, and you are set to go with these adorable and super easy personalized stocking tags.